Go get my pillow.
What's wrong, honey?
Nothing, dear.
It's on your wrist.
Nothing.
Oh, really? Oh.
What are you doing?
Your pillow.
Thank you. Hey, these cop outfit you got for these kids? Did you take the key out? Take the key out for the handcuffs? Oh, okay. How am I supposed to get out of here? Yeah, I'm handcuffed. Ow! Oh. Yeah, thank you.